Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on smart sidebar and how to use it on Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to on guys smart sidebar settings, so how to on a smart sidebar on Oppo phone. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on tool setting. After on tool setting friends, you can see navigation setting, screenshot, screen recording setting. So friends, click on smart sidebar setting, and once you want to smart sidebar, so when you can on your smart sidebar from here. After on friends, you can use guys your smart sidebar setting friends. Friends, you can see right side get this line here. So friends, swipe here right side. Friends, you can use get this smart sidebar setting. Friends, you can use screen recording. You want to on camera friends, you want to on your WhatsApp, Chrome app, Facebook, so you can on. And friends, you want to add app, so friends click on plus icon, and friends you can remove this app. And friends, you want to add app, so you can add. Example guys, we will add guys app setting, and guys I will add guys file, and guys I will add Instagram. Friends, YouTube friends I will on it. So it's only three app guys I will add. Friends, you can see after that friends, you can right side swipe friends, direct we can on YouTube app. So friends, we can use the smart sidebar setting, and friends you can see shortcut setting friends, we can use it guys. So friends, you can see right side swipe here. Friends, you want to start screen recording, you can start screen recording and you can use it. So like that friends, we can on smart sidebar setting friends, and we can use it. Friends, you don't want to use friends, you can off from here guys, click here, smart sidebar will off, and friends we cannot use the smart sidebar setting on our mobile. Bye guys.